What's the meaning of contemptuous? Contemptuous. Contemptuous.
Contemptuous. Contemptuous. The term contemptuous refers to a strong feeling of dislike or disrespect towards someone or something. It implies a judgmental attitude and a lack of regard for the subject in question. A person who is contemptuous may express their feelings through words, tone of voice, or body language. The result of such behavior can be a damaged relationship, hurt feelings, and a lack of trust. It can also create a hostile and negative atmosphere, making it difficult for individuals to work or communicate effectively.